Hey, we are here with Miss I Want to Be Successful for another year to talk about our city school student plans. So our student plans are created by every single student in city schools in grades 6 through 12. We do them 2 to 3 times a year. And the goal is for our students to be able to reflect on your academic progress and for you to recognize the multiple pathways that you can take to reach your career goals. So think about your student plans a little bit about how you would think about a life coach, right? Your student plans are going to save you time and save you money as you think intentionally about what you want to do after high school. So in order to complete your student plans this year, you're going to complete a quick survey in Naviance, and your school counselor is going to provide you with further instructions. They might provide you with your academic information, like the number of credits you've taken, how many days of school you might have missed, what your GPA is, what your service learning hours are. But first, just wanted to show you a quick demo of how you access your student plan. So when you're in Naviance, you're going to log in through the Clever portal. You're going to look for the section for college and career readiness, and then you will enter Naviance. Once you're in Naviance, you will go to your About Me section. You're going to go down to My Surveys. When you click on My Surveys, you're going to choose the option for Survey Not Started. Once you click on Survey Not Started, you will have the option to select a survey, and you want to choose the school year 2021 high school student plan. Once you click on that, you are going to answer questions 1 through 18 only. Only answer questions 1 through 18 for your quarter 1 student plan. So we want to know, what are your career interests? Are you thinking about college? Are you thinking about a career? Do you want to go directly into the workforce? Have you thought about the military? There are so many options and multiple pathways to the same destination, and we're here to help you explore those. Questions 3 through 13 are going to ask you some information about your academics and how you're doing. And then the second set of questions is going to be questions 14 through 18. We want you to think about yourself and reflect. What's your favorite subject? It doesn't have to be English. It could be African American history. It could be the robotics club. What is something that you really enjoy? What is something you're most proud of? That could be coming to school every day. That could be taking care of your sibling. That could be singing in the youth choir. Talk to us a little bit about what you're proud of. Thinking about your greatest strengths. So this could be something tangible, an accomplishment that you've had, but it could also be a personal strength. So what is a personal character that you're really proud of? Maybe you're trustworthy. Maybe you're helpful. Maybe you are really good at fixing things. What are your greatest strengths? And then again, what are some extracurricular activities that you participate in? That could be church. That could be watching your siblings. That could be a club. That could be a sport. That could be working a job. Thinking about what else you do outside of school. And after you're done with question number 18, we want you to scroll all the way to the bottom, and we want to choose the option to save and come back later. So you're coming to this survey, you're answering questions 1 through 18. Once you've done that, you're scrolling to the bottom of the page, you're clicking save and come back. You are not save and finish. You're saving and come back because you're going to actually come back to this again a little bit later in the school year just to reflect and see how your academic progress is going. If you have any questions about this survey, please feel free to reach out to your school counselor or your teacher or school administrator, and they will make sure that you are all set with planning for your future.